Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to explore an essay on my hobby. Let's start. My hobby. A hobby is something we do for fun in our free time. It helps us relax and enjoy ourselves. There are many hobbies people enjoy such as painting, gardening, photography, crafts and cooking. However, my favorite hobby is reading. Importance of hobbies. Hobbies give us a break from our daily routine. They help us relax and enjoy our time. Having a hobby makes life more enjoyable and fun. Why I love reading? I have loved reading since I was a child. Books take me to new places and let me experience different adventures. I can explore new worlds and enjoy thrilling stories without leaving my home. Learning from books. Reading helps me learn new words and improve my language skills. It also makes me better at focusing on tasks. These skills are useful in many parts of life. Reading helps in school. Reading helps me do better in school. It improves my understanding and thinking. Good reading skills make studying easier. Relaxing with the book. Reading is a great way to relax after a busy day. It helps me forget about my problems and find peace. It's a comforting activity that helps me relax and feel calm. New ideas and views. Books introduce me to new ideas and ways of thinking. They help me understand different perspectives and think about my own beliefs. This makes me more open minded and thoughtful. Enjoying reading. For me, reading is not just a hobby but a source of joy and learning. Each book brings something new and exciting. I will continue to enjoy reading for many years to come. Thanks for watching.